Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and this video about new Samsung Galaxy M10s unboxing and overview. And guys, this is the package. The Samsung Galaxy M10s has launched in 3GB RAM and 32GB internal storage. Likewise, it available in two color variant, so-called blue and black. This is a stainless steel black color variant. It comes with a 3GB RAM and 32GB internal storage. Now let's unbox this device. After opening the box, it is a small box contains here paperwork, warranty card details, etc. And here is the Samsung Galaxy M10s smartphone and comes with the black color variant. Now let it keep it aside. It comes with the 15 watts fast charging adapter, and this is the USB Type-C cable, and finally it contains the SIM ejector pin. Now this is a Samsung Galaxy M10s smartphone, and in terms of design it has a fully made of polycarbonate plastic material and designed like a glass back design. Similarly on the front it comes with the drop notch display, and inside the notch it comes equipped with the 8 megapixel selfie camera. The display has Super AMOLED. Now coming to its physical overview. On the top it has secondary microphone, at the right has volume rock keys and a power on off button, and at the bottom it comes with the USB Type-C port and a speaker grill, a primary microphone, and it comes with the 3.5mm audio jack. Likewise on the left it has SIM card slot, and it comes with the dedicated SD card slot. It has 3 slots, supports dual nano SIM and a dedicated micro SD card slot, and it supports up to 512GB of external storage. On the front it has a 6.4-inch HD plus display based on Super AMOLED panel, and it comes with the notch design. And at the rear side it has a fully polycarbonate plastic material made of, and it has a dual camera support with the LED flash, and it has a rear mounted fingerprint sensor. The dual camera has the primary camera with 13 megapixel and a 5 megapixel ultra wide angle sensor is accompanied with that. Now let's switch on this device. The Samsung Galaxy M10s comes with the 6.4-inch HD plus Super AMOLED Infinity V-notch design display. It has 19.5:9 aspect ratio and has 85% screen to body ratio. It powered by Samsung Exynos 7884 chipset octa-core processor. In terms of software, it runs on top with One UI based on Android 9 Pie. On imaging, it has 8 megapixel selfie camera and having dual camera with 13 megapixel and 5 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. It has 3GB plus 32GB storage variant with a dedicated SD card slot that supports up to 512GB memory. In terms of battery, it has 4000 mAh with the 15 watts fast charging support. Finally, it supports with 3.5mm audio jack, USB Type-C port, dedicated SD card slot, and dual nano SIM with a dual VoLTE. The Samsung Galaxy M10 is priced at Rs 8,999 for 3GB plus 32GB memory variant. It can be sold through Amazon India. Guys, I have set it up the device. On the first impression, I like the display. It has some display. It comes with a Super AMOLED panel, and however it's a HD plus display, not a full HD, but also the display is awesome. This Samsung M10s is powered by Samsung Exynos 7884 octa-core processor, which clocks up to 1.0 GHz clock speed, and it runs on the top based on Samsung One UI version 1.1 based on Android version 9. Likewise, it comes with the 3GB RAM and the 32GB storage. Out of 3GB RAM, you are getting a 1.3GB of available storage, and likewise in terms of internal memory, it has 21.3GB of memory available out of 32GB. It has also comes with the digital well-being feature since it is an Android 9 Pie version. In terms of security, it comes with the rear mounted fingerprint sensor, and it also supports with the face unlock recognition. Now let's check fingerprint. The fingerprint scanning is good. Also the placement of fingerprint sensor is almost okay, but it's not accessible always. Similarly, the face recognition is also good. It works almost okay, but it's not working at 360 degree. You have to face front facing camera to unlock the phone through face recognition instantly. Otherwise, it takes some time to unlock the screen. Now let's move on to its camera. And the Samsung Galaxy M10 has dual camera setup at the rear, having a 13 megapixel primary camera with the 5 megapixel ultra wide angle lens. And similarly, it has a selfie camera housed inside the notch display. It comes with the 8 megapixel selfie camera at f2.0 aperture setting. Now let's open the camera. On viewing at the viewfinder, the color reproduction are very good, and even though zooming the picture, it accurately gives the sharp edges, and the edge to edge detection is also good. And mainly I really love this color reproduction. It actually gives a good color, and here you seen it has a very greenish and that white part are all viewing at a clear. Similarly, in part of live focus, as you seen here, the edges are almost okay. It clearly outputs the sharp edges, so therefore the edge to edge detection is also good. And even though in the portrait also it gives good color reproduction, and there is very sharpness in the picture. Now let you show you the few camera samples of the Samsung Galaxy M10s.